Zebec holders, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different because there has been a massive change on the channel. So today we're going to be going over the monthly outlook for Zebec. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see here, we've been working on this massive decline, and I was telling you guys for a very long freaking time that the partnership with XRP is going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. And boy, oh boy, we have had a buy the rumor, sell the news event. We are currently down. Let's see exactly how much it is down. Around 56% since the high, which came in around the XRP collaboration. And I kept on saying it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and I didn't want it to be, but it's always the case in crypto. Again, this has actually come a lot deeper than even I thought it was going to go to, but we are in macro support, which is around the 0.87 Fib. And the reason why I'm saying these videos are going to start changing a little bit, we're not going to be doing the continuous market updates throughout the month. We're going to be doing one main monthly outlook, and if anything drastic changes, we will then jump on the charts and I'll make a quick video. And the reason for that is purely because we actually have one of the fastest growing Skool communities in the whole crypto space. It's absolutely insane. As you can see here, if you just type in trading and you scroll down just a little bit, we are one of the fastest growing Skool communities ever. And that's absolutely insane. So we moved the Telegram community over to Skool. And now everything's in the Skool community. We have crypto courses in there. We have all my charts, the crypto ones, the forex ones, the stock ones, my trading entries for futures plays, my spot entries. Everything's available in here. And part of the Zebec community, we actually have rule black investing in here as well for the Zebec community too. So awesome opportunity. If you guys want to join, link is in the comments below. We will be changing the price once we get 75 members in there, and we already have 69 members in 1 week and a half. Wow. Like at one point we were the fastest growing, and we're still trending right now, which is, I honestly thank you to every single one of you guys. You guys are awesome. Again, link is in the comments below if you want to join. So back to the charts. So Zebec has broke just below the previous support that we've been talking about, you know, the macro support we've been talking about. And I've been saying, just keep an eye out for a fake out. Keep an eye out for a fake out. We were building along on Zebec. We ended up catching, I think it was around 20% in profit on 10x leverage. Thank God we had stop loss in profit because boy, oh boy, it continued to work its way down. But that's the whole point of trading, you know. As soon as you're in profit, especially in the markets at the moment, I say it's roach season. It is cockroach season. As soon as you see that cockroach, you want to kill it. As soon as this market sees that you're in better profit, they want to kill it straight away. They want to liquidate you. They want to take you out of the market. And to be honest, this period of time that we've been in right now has probably been one of the best trading periods I've ever had in my whole career of trading. It's not been the best, but it's definitely been up there as one of the best, because we've just been able to mark out ranges on the weekly time frame in the Skool community or on the daily time frame in the Skool community, and we could just trade in them ranges. You know, I think last week I took 14 or 15 trades on Bitcoin, and every single one of them was in profit. Every single one of them, you know, I've not lost a trade now in over a year. Yeah, over a year. It was coming up to nearly 2 years now. And the reason for that is because the risk management is amazing. And, you know, sometimes I look at the charts and I'm like, how did I even do that? And I always like to give the glory to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for giving me the life that I live. I know I'm extremely privileged and so great. I am so grateful for every single one of you guys tuning in. So grateful for my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for allowing me to live the life I do as well. Honestly, it's amazing. Of course, everyone wants better and everyone's chasing something. Everyone has their own goals and ambitions. But man, oh man, you know, I just can't believe the road that we have been on over the past year. Even just on this YouTube channel, you know, to have over 2,000 people here tuning into the videos is, honestly, to me, is crazy. So thank you again, guys. So at the moment, you can see that we worked our way up into the resistance zone. We ended up having a bearish divergence here on the PA. PA stands for price action. Then we started to get a rejection halfway between the 0.65 Fib and the 0.786 Fib. And from there, we've had a rejection. And currently, I'm looking for some kind of low to be in for this wave 2. And you want the low to be in this wave 2, because if not, then we just had a 3-wave move and we're going to look for another 5-wave move to the downside. So it's kind of do or die right now for Zebec. And the reason why we say this zone is support is if we take a Fibonacci from our low and we take it right to our high, you can see that we're bouncing right from our 0.786 from support. And the next target's up. Coming in around the 0.021110 zone. So they're the next targets I have for Zebec at the moment. And just thinking logically, over the course of this whole month, if we can continue to hold this one support zone, the targets will be drastically higher. I mean, from current price, you know, at least a 35% move The bare minimums, the absolute bare minimums that I would accept personally though, is a rally right to the 0.786 here, which is around 17% to the upside. So the risk reward ratio is definitely better for the upside. And why is that though? Because this is the low that we had in February. We filled around 75% of the wick, or maybe even 80% of the wick now. And normally that's enough in crypto to get a nice pump to the upside. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that the bulls and the bears are battling out really, really hard here. And this is one of the things, I used to come on here and I would make 3 videos a week on Zebec, or make 3 videos a week on Q&T. You got to think it takes so much time and effort to make these videos, to edit these videos, and sometimes there's no reward from it. Sometimes I'll get no views, and then the next video I'll get like 900 views, and the next time I will get 300, and the time after that 1,000. It's very inconsistent. So that's why I'm saying in the Skool community, all them videos are just gonna go straight in there now, and all these guys are just absolutely freaking loving it. I mean, just this week alone, we're doing 31% straight away there on Amazon. Amazon was a really nice trading setup. Tesla as well, up over 78% just this past week alone. Q&T, another member done 90% on Q&T literally 6 days ago. Another member done 35% there on Dogecoin. It's roach season, guys. I don't know how many times I've said it is really roach season. You have to be in and out of this market. This market ain't allowing you to just be able to hold a swing long anymore. Unfortunately, I took a swing shot on Bitcoin, I think yesterday or the day before. Brought in around $3,000, just 6% in profit. We'll take these quick 10x leverage longs or 10x leverage shorts, or even 20x leverage. So huge shout out to everyone in the Skool community. Again, you have all availability to all the courses in here: Crypto 101, Trading View 101, Risk Management 101, Daily Market Updates, and the Market Cipher B Mastery that so many people freaking love. So again, we have a referral system as well, which is pretty awesome, and so many people are making a lot of good freaking money from doing it. We have a 40% referral system, so whoever you invite into the group, you will get 40% of every single month they stay into the group. So if they pay for the premium plan, which is $300 and something per month, you get 40% of that. And if you bring them in on the regular plan, which is $49 a month, you will get 40% of that as well. So, it's just a good incentive. It's just a very good incentive for just the whole community to just continue to grow together as one, and we're going to continue to do it. So yeah, huge shout out to everyone in the community as well. But for me, yeah, I want to see Zebec start working its way up to the top of this wave one over the course of the next month. I think September, it's going to be interesting, because obviously then we're going to be going into the time period where the recess is over with the Senate, and they're going to bring in potentially, the whole focus will be on the midterm elections, and whether you think Democrats are going to win, or you're going to think Republicans are going to win. I want Republicans to win. I'm open about it. I say it all the time. I think Democrats are the cancer to the world, not even just to the United States of America, because they hate crypto. They only liked crypto because Trump was running away with crypto, and he got a lot of votes from it. Biden didn't do anything for us in the crypto world, and Trump did. Trump's done his few adventures that have not been good for the community as a crypto community, but he's still part of the community, you know what I mean? So it's going to be interesting to see how this price action plays out with Zebec. I know Canton did have a pretty nasty fall yesterday, purely because the Clarity Act didn't get passed before recess, but there is a rumor that Saturday or Sunday they could do a vote, but I'm not sure. We don't need the Clarity Act. I just want to make it quite clear. We do not need Clarity Act. The United States of America needs Clarity Act. We don't need it. We have clarity already. Nothing's going to change for us. The tokenization of the Ethereum staked ETF is already here with BlackRock. DTCC is going to be here in October. Everything's already coming already. The Clarity Act is just another piece of the jigsaw, which would have been nice to have already, but we don't have early release yet. That's fine. Let's keep working away. Now is buying season, not financial advice, but you got to start looking at the altcoins or even Bitcoin and Ethereum and start thinking, damn, like these are down over 50%. And anytime you see an altcoin or Bitcoin or anything down 50%, statistically proven and traditionally proven across all markets in the world ever, it's always been a good buying opportunity. So I think if you really believe in Zebec and you really like Zebec, we're clearly down over 40% now, just from the highs from the XRP launch. We're down a lot. We're down a lot. So here is potentially a really nice spot buying zone. There's only so much lower these altcoins will go, maybe another 10 to 20% maximum for some of them. So maybe if you're going to start a DCA plan, if you want to learn how to DCA, hit the link in the comments below and join the Skool community. We have a whole in detailed DCA strategy in there that is completely bulletproof to market manipulation as well. So thank you so much to every single person watching the video today. You guys are awesome. That's going to be it. I don't want to go too crazy with the TA today. I feel like we're going to start stripping it back and just make it as basic as possible so it doesn't go over a load of people's head. I know sometimes it can get a lot for some people going into the Market Cipher B, going into the weekly, the monthly. Let's just keep it to the 4-hour time frame and just understand the parameters that we need to hold. We need to hold this support zone right now that we're in. We can never be bearish while in support. We can only be bullish in support. We can only be bearish when in resistance, even if it's coming near an all-time high, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, stocks, whatever. So I just want to say thank you guys. Remember that Jesus Christ is the only way to heaven. He is the king of the world. He's the king of everything. He is the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end, the first and the last. Every knee shall bow, every tongue shall confess that he is the one and only true living God. All you need is faith the size of a mustard seed. A mustard seed is so tiny, I don't even think I'd even be able to pick it up. So thank you so much, guys. I love and appreciate you guys. And I'll probably see you guys, if not in the Skool community, I'll probably see you guys randomly throughout this month for Zebec. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Adios.